Hey friends! Today we are talking about vitamin C benefits for skin. Ready to transform your skin game? Vitamin C is your new BFF. Vitamin C is a powerhouse antioxidant that does wonders for your skin. It brightens your complexion, evens out skin tone, and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to radiance. But wait, there's more. Vitamin C also protects your skin from harmful UV rays and pollution, keeping it healthy and glowing. It boosts collagen production, which helps your skin stay firm and youthful. Incorporating vitamin C into your skincare routine is super easy. Look for serums, moisturizers, or even sunscreens with vitamin C. Apply it in the morning for best results, and don't forget your sunscreen. So, why wait? Start using vitamin C today and watch your skin transform. Your future glowing self will thank you. Hit that like button, comment and subscribe, or visit greatermood.com if you're ready to glow. Don't miss out. Make vitamin C your skincare MVP now.